Oh my
Bro, you
God.
teased me. I thought you were actually gonna do it. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, we're on our way to the skate park right now. We're all loaded down, got the Max, got a few other cars. I think this is gonna be a good video. I hope we don't break too much stuff, but every time we go out, we seem to. So let's see how it works. I got a dead stick after it made that noise. Now we got JJ the jet plane, the 4-wheel drive Flash.
JJ the jet plane. Oh,
We got the Bandit out here too.
with the speed gear in it, going to the skate park. I'm not going to go too crazy with this thing because I love it and I don't want to break it, but it'll be fun just drive around a little bit. We'll do a little basketball court ripping first. Get her nice and warmed up.
Into the basketball court. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It just balloons, man.
The tires?
No, the body.
Oh, it was a sail?
The body just makes it into a sail, yeah.
Oh!
Oh!
Ooh. I'm not even quarter throttle right now. I blipped full throttle for a second. Oh, my wheel!
Yeah, what's going on with the wheel?
Oh, no.
The tie rod? Oh, it looks like a bolt. It's just a bolt, or did you break it?
Oh, it is broken right here. On the little, right there.
A little hub?
Yeah, the hub carrier broke. Wait, I'll wiggle it.
Yeah, it's gone.
No!
We break literally everything.
I didn't even get to the skate park yet.
It's just because we're in the vicinity of this skate park.
Oh, man.
While we broke it. As he
So-
rips it again.
Still driving it. Oh!
I wonder if it's when you hit the fence over there.
Oh, you know what? Probably just then, yeah.
Well, like that.
Oh, it came all the way up.
Oh.
Oh. That thing's feisty.
That's by far my fastest one.
Oh, it broke all the way off.
Oh, now it broke all the way off.
It broke right here, this piece. Broke off at the top. Wait. Up there.
Little field repair here. Got to take apart the Bandit.
Field repair. Field medic.
Field medic. I need healing. Your fingers are too what?
Meaty.
Oh.
I got meaty sausages. I can't press the button in my speed hole I cut.
Come on, man.
I can't get to the power button.
Get your hand in the speed hole.
Yeah.
Good job.
We're back in business, boys.
Biznu. What'd you find? Oh, a little Nerf dart.
Nerf dart. Now I have an antenna.
Bro, you're going to cook that speed gear.
Probably. Oh no, I lost my antenna.
Already?
My Nerf dart antenna that I just found. Oh!
Is
Did
your
I
Bandit
say
good?
that you could drive over me?
I definitely think I could drive over you.
Oh, it came off again.
Like that.
Here, I'll give the Nerf dart to someone else.
Oh.
Am I upside down?
No.
Oh, okay.
I am, though.
Oh!
You are, too.
Roll counter. It's running pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Side's right there. speed bandit.
Dude, I imagine I jumped this one out of the skate park.
Well, when we graduate to XO1s, you know.
Oh my
Bro, you
god.
teased me. I thought you were actually gonna do it. I thought you were actually gonna do it. He's like, imagine if I do it. I was like, he's going for it.
I started braking right here and it made it all the way up the ramp.
Yep.
Let's
do it.
Oh, never mind.
Well, there went your skid plate.
Never mind.
Bro, we shattered the skid plate. Or oh, it just came off. Dang, I thought we sheared it right off.
Oh, my screws.
My screws.
Here's one. It just pulled them out.
Not bad.
I would like that to be on there right now. Oh, it broke the whole front of the. Oh no.
Was that the bulkhead, I guess, on this one? That's not the chassis, is it?
No, because the chassis is gray and that one's black. So that's just one piece that I can get a new one, I guess. Oh, wait. Wait, so from this...
There goes my motor.
Oh.
There goes the mesh. Cone. If anybody can figure out a better motor mount for these /4-wheel drives, let me know. Because this is my problem.
An important thing. Oh, money!
It's penny! We made money today on the YouTube channel, guys.
Our first penny.
Yes.
Put it in the pocket.
That thing is so quick. Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Oh, this thing's
a little anticlimactic.
It's so fast.
Oh, park car.
Oh, something's up.
Something's broke.
I think the other one broke now on the other side.
No way.
Something's weird. We should probably call the Ghostbusters.
Yep.
Wheel is like so turned in. The toe is like so in. I mean, dude, zipping through like that, I mean, that's a lot of force going on all this stuff. But as always, it's still driving.
Still
so
be
I'm
good.
Gonna keep driving it. Oh, beautiful jump. Another nice one. That's all right. Whatever you want. Oh.
What happened?
The piece of the front bulkhead that holds the
sheared off
front bumper. The half came off.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
gosh. Still good.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That one broke now on this side.
Oh no.
I got rear steer.
Oh, you got to get some RPM hubs, man. Oh, this is wild. Look at it. That looks like a video game, how it's turning, like video game physics.
No, it's just caught.
So it's not broken, it's caught
in the shock.
Weird.
Brute force. There it is. All right.
It's back to normal. But you're still dead though, aren't you?
Either that or it overheated. It's blinking red.
All right, guys, we're back at the shop, and it went exactly how we thought it would go at the skate park today. We broke everything. We shredded the gear in the MT10. We messed up the mesh on the /4x4. We burnt out the servo on the slash 2-wheel drive. I don't even know what's wrong with this thing. I think what did you break on here?
The front. These ripped out.
Yeah.
The bumper and I broke the, whatever this is, a hub carrier. So I put a new one on in the field, and then the other side got stuck in the shock.
Yeah, a whole lot of stuff going here. And we're pretty sure that we toasted the ESC and the Max here. I got off the phone with Mr. Ray over at Havoc Speed, and he said, yep, sounds like I toasted the ESC. I guess really the only problem we have with the XRT is the motor wire popped out, and the thing was just clogging. So popped it back in, and she's back to 100%. So I wouldn't even count that as a break or anything. Thanks, Havoc Speed, for everything. That is where we literally get all of our parts for our cars. They'll hook you up. Go check out the website. So, again, guys, very successful day at the skate park. And the only thing that survived 100% was the Bad Girl XRT. So, stick around for more videos, and thank you guys again for watching.